So there is a double standard here, which is when the globe side makes a claim, we have to give evidence, but when they make claims, they just claim that they're not making claims.
No, we do have evidence. It's called the law of entropy, which you failed to prove against.
I was mentioning your claim that there is reflected suns and a
The
dome.
dome. Yeah,
those-
the reason we know we have a dome is the law of entropy. The reason we know we have reflection is because the dome.
How do you know the dome is a reflective material?
Just like the Bible says.
The Bible says the dome is a
Crystal molten
reflective
looking
material.
glass.
Can you explain me what this dome is then? Elaborate this more to me.
Just container. Just container.
Container of what? Is it made of glass? Like,
I don't know. I haven't been up there to touch it.
Oh, now you suddenly don't know. Just a minute ago, you was telling people it was crystal molten looking glass. Whatever that might be.
I don't know. I haven't been up there to touch it.
Oh, you were not able to touch it. So, with other words, we can trash your retard Bible. Do you understand? You just say you need to touch something to see if it's true. I wonder if Flatzoid realized what he just said. So you don't know, because you haven't touched it. Just like the foundations of the heaven, waters above the firmament, Sheol, foundations of the earth. You haven't touched these, but you make claims of what these are and do. No, Flatzoid, you haven't touched them, you piece of shit.
I don't know. I haven't been up there to touch it. Just like the Bible says.
The Bible says the dome is a
Crystal molten
reflective
looking
material.
glass.
So where is the Bible mentioning crystal? You just made it up, Flatzoid. Hard as a mirror of cast bronze. So this means it's metal and shines like a mirror. Bronze mirror. Here, molten looking glass. Where is that fucking crystal? And how would we describe molten looking glass? Something that is molten is still soft. Or is it not in a molten state? It was once molten. Jesus Christ, what a garbage. Strong as a cast metal mirror. Strong as a molten mirror. I don't see crystal.
How do you know it's not a reflective surface?
It doesn't exist, so I can't model it.
That's not my issue. That's yours.
It's actually yours, but that's okay.
No, that's not my issue.
All right,
you
let's-
can't model
let's
it
not
because
do I
you
know
don't
you
believe
are,
it.
what am
Doesn't
I?
make
Come
it
on.
my issue.
I think it's just reflection of the dome. The Bible
Yeah.
describes only one sun, but we can observe multiple suns based on its reflection of the dome.
But the thing is, we do know on a globe it's impossible to have two suns. On the flat earth of the dome, it is possible to have two suns.
And we can explain this on the flat earth. It's called reflection of the dome.
yeah.
Do you want to say something to the group?
But the thing is, we do know on a globe it's impossible to have two suns. On the flat earth of the dome, it is possible to have two suns.
Those are very challenging observations you made, Randall.
It's called reflection of the dome.
Mental illness. And I think that you've been trying to put us on all this time.
And we can explain this on the flat earth.
But the thing is, we do know on a globe it's impossible to have two suns. On the flat earth of the dome, it is possible to have two suns.
It's called reflection of the dome.
Okay, this won't hurt and it'll be over in just a moment.
Uh-huh. What's that?
Conductant.
On the flat earth of the dome, it is possible to have two suns.
It's called reflection of the dome. It's called reflection of the dome.
Are you ready? Here we go.
Reflections of the dome. Interesting. Let's move into the dome. So, reflection in the dome. If we look to the south, we should always see two suns because of the reflection, and the stars also reflect of the dome. Huh? Do they? You're full of shit.